Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily reorder menu items in Wix. So let's start. It's really simple, it's really easy. So what you want to do is just be simple in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, click on menus and pages, and right here you're gonna see home, portfolio, about, news, and everything, right? So what you want to do is just simply take this and just move it. And as you can see, it will automatically change the order, contact, unlike news. And voila, here you got it. So this is pretty much it, how we do it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And goodbye.